Hello guys, let's welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, am I going to show you how to use the for loops in your Python programming language guys. Okay, when writing Python programs, there are times you want to iterate for a list and access each items individually. Okay, let me show you. So I'm going to declare a list of numbers using the list. Now you can use the square bracket. Inside the square bracket I'm going to write 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma and 5. Okay, what if I wanted to print this list of numbers? Print numbers, numbers, numbers. Okay, when I run this program, it will going to print exactly like how we will write here. Okay, let me show you how. Okay, see here exactly what I will write here. It will going to print here only, right? But what if I wanted to print each items on separate line? So that's where we will use the for loop guys. Okay, let me show you. So we are not going to print enter this list. Okay, instead of we are going to type for. Now we are going to declare a variable which is called loop variable guys. That is, we will call it as item. Okay, item. Then we will type in operator, then numbers, and next we will add the colon to start a block of code guys. Okay, so this is what we call a loop. Okay, with this loop we are or we can iterate for all items in this list. In each iteration this item variable to hold one value. So in this first iteration item is going to be equals to 1, and second iteration I is going to equal to be 2, and so on. Okay, so now we can print the item. Print the item. We will see what happens. Okay, let me run this program and see what we are going to get here. Okay, here we will get the 5 numbers, right? So this is the beauty of for loop guys. Okay, see, and this piece of code or this task will achieve by the while loop also guys, but you people are getting little bit longer. Okay, little bit complicated code. Okay, let me show you how we are going to use a while loop for the same task. Okay, now we have to start by declaring a loop variable outside our while loop. Let's say I equals to 0. Then we will write our condition, that is while I less than. Here we needed to find out how many items we have in this list. So we can use the len function guys. Okay, len of numbers. Okay, len of numbers, right? Okay, len of numbers. Then we will add the column to get block of code. Okay, and then a len of numbers. After that, as long as I is less than the length of the list, okay, we will print print. Now we can use the square bracket notation to get the element at this index. Okay, at this index we will write the square bracket notation guys. Okay, now we will type at the parenthesis, we will type numbers square bracket I. Okay, now we need to increment I by 1, so enter. Now we can need to increment I by 1, so I will using I equal I plus 1, right? So this is the increment, guys. Okay, I think you people are learn in last my video about the while loop, guys. Okay, just I will achieve this task, just I will achieve this task by while loop, guys. Okay, let's run our program and see what we are going to get here. Okay, see here, just I will extend this one for better understanding. Okay, 1 to 5 numbers will be there now. Here we will get 1 to 5 numbers. These are come out from the our for loop, guys. Okay, these are come out from our for loop, and then we will get 1 to 5 numbers will be there now. You will get from while loop, guys. Okay, so now you will compare these two approaches. You can definitely see what is the implementation using the for loop is shorter and easy to understand, right? So here, so just wait, I will. Okay, here we don't have to using the square brackets, right? Okay, but here will using, right? And also we don't have to declare a variable like hi, and here will be there now, and here we don't use the lena functions, and here we don't want to make increment. So these are some operations will be there now. You didn't using the for loops. Okay, so this is where, and this is how we will use the for loop, guys. Okay, I think you people are getting my words and you people are enjoyed with this video. Okay, I will stop here only. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.